of the first things that children should be responding to language-wise is people's names and their own name. These are skills that develop between 9 and 12 months. If your child is not already doing these skills, responding appropriately, talk to the professionals in your life about why, and start doing some activities like these at home. We've already talked about peekaboo, and I'll just reiterate that and then tell you about 3 different games. Peekaboo, using the child's name repetitively. Where is, we'll say Johnny. Johnny. Where are you? Johnny. There's Johnny. Right? Over and over in a really fun way. I find that if a child's not responding to their name in like real life, and you say, Johnny, come here. Come. Johnny, I need you to come. It's time to go. It may be because of a lot of different things, but practicing in a really fun way is the best way to teach it so that it carries over into the real life when they don't want to respond to their name, they don't want to come here, because we've reinforced it so many times in a fun way. So keep doing that peekaboo using their name and then switch it around and use your name. Okay, so you're hiding yourself under the blanket, under the pillow. Where's mama? And you can have, dad or grandma playing too, and grandma saying, where's mama? Where is she? Pull it down. There's mama. Hi, mama. Kisses for mama. Right. So many repetitions in a really fun way. That is how we teach. Super repetitive, super fun. That's how we teach kids. Okay, so keep going with the peekaboo. Let me tell you about 3 other activities that I really like to do, and I use these in therapy. The next one is a song. It's the